Hi guys. Okay, this is something that we did at school a lot and we're going to practice a little bit now. I know I can't hear you, but I'm going to give you time to answer and see how you do, okay? So I'm going to say some sounds and I want you to tell me what word it's going to be. For example, l-a-k. Right, lake. Now, if I change the A sound to what would it be? L, k. Luck. Right. Okay, let's try another one. What if I said the word flat? Flat. Flat. Correct. Now, we're going to change the A sound in the middle to O. Oat. Float. Float. Right, float. Okay, next words. I'm going to say the word this time, not just the sounds. I'm going to say the word, and I want you to change one of the sounds inside. So, my word is going to be fun. Right. Now remember, instead of saying each sound by itself when we're trying to read a word, we're going to blend those sounds together. So try to say the first two sounds together. Fun. Fun. Right. Now, I want you to change the U to an A. So it would look like this. Fan. Fan. So we changed fun to fan. Good work. Okay. Now you can write these down with me if you want to. Now, here is our next word. Seed. Seed. Now remember, when there's two vowels together, they just make one sound. So when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and this one is silent. So it's going to say the long E sound, its own name. Seed. Okay, I want you to change the E to a long I. I. So let's see what that would be. Side. Side. Good work. Seed changes to side. Okay, another one. Okay, we have a silent E. We don't hear it, so we know the U is going to be long and say its own name. Tune. Tune. Very good. Now I want you to change the U to an I, but it's going to be the short I sound. So it won't have a silent E on the end. It's going to be our I. Tin. Tin. Good work. All right. I have just two more. We've got the word, what is it? Yeah, you guys all know that word. Cat. And I want you to change the A, the short A sound, to a long U. Now I can't just leave it like this because that's the short U. For it to say, it would be cut, cut. But I want this letter to say its own name, long U. Q. So we need to add, you're right, a silent E on the end. So now my word is cute. Cute. Great. Okay, one last one. You guys are awesome. Here's my word. You're right. That's clip. 4 sounds in that word. Clip. These two are a blend. So we say both the sounds, but we blend them together. Clip. And it's the short I. Now, I want you to change that short I to a short A. So, what's the word? Yeah, clap. Good job.